Hello, hello. How's it, man? Good. How's it, man? I'm good. You see, I don't know. Evening, you're gonna find a chance, man, so that you can come. Yeah. I can go now. Yeah, but no, now I don't have money. So evening, I'll have money. So we can do the evening. It's fine. No? You don't have student come. No, I don't have student for you. But later on, then we'll talk. Sharp, sharp, man. Big up, sharp. Hello, hello. Hi, guys. I don't know. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Muluchechi after today. I don't know. I want to go and vibrate for myself. Okay. Hi, guys. Sam Mazuta. Guys, I'm still early, right? I just talk. So, in this video, I'm gonna check comments. Masulani pili komande kulizoa. Yeah, kulizoa kunago. Kufana pa ntumene kulizoa, but mama kumazizira. So, I'm in my jacket. Sosteni Jovu. Jovu. Agudi was here. We here. Okay, thank you, Muhammad. Malawi Muhammad. Thank you. Precious Chiwamila. We here. Mbali ya kunoko. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, in this video, I will answer any question that you are going to ask me. I'm going to answer any question that you are going to ask me. So, I'll be honest. If you want to know me, say about me, I'm here. Any question, literally from YouTube to from YouTube to my personal life, anything I will answer. So let's do it. It will be just like chat and all that kind of stuff. Mawa, this on a video, Mawa Imba. Yeah, so we are started going international now. Tumeneja sana ndiyo tingo banga tingo yamba esa ma video English. Ngati kukhale kufunikira kotero. So yeah. Any questions that you ask me, I will answer them. Abapata fika tuwe nyumba sokana badeni. Fika nyumba tuwe badeni. Yeah, guys, any questions that you are going to ask, I will answer them. More and Tima. Ndiyanka Mona Mtima siku lano lili bwanji kwina kulikonse Oma akuti ankolo ndakona nizikomo Samson Makomo takosatirani man. Thank you so much. Tadala in which country is that? Okay, I'm going to make a video from Tanzania. So yeah, guys. Oh, which country is that? Like, is that a question? I'm now in my studio, so I hope. Bila kuti kina jiri jase murandi puta kuso hane I still drink that. Okay, guys. Instrumental already, yes. I mean, I'm going to go with instrumental already. Muribanje kwa maguna kuliko segment number guys. This is Mavita. So Mawa, I'm going to drop a video, nice video. As you can see, I have my small boy. I got another device for audios and all that kind of stuff. I bought it yesterday. Kwa mene muri ndi namba yangu ya WhatsApp. I think mwana dida kasi about WhatsApp. So everything will be just as good than before. And then, hi. Zina langa ndine Sam Mavita and ikamata video hii mukala mutajiwa yambijo mutajiwa. Yeah, guys, just like YouTube videos. So there's a comment here. Okay, thanks so much. Okay, Tadara, which country is that? This is South Africa. I'm in South Africa. Yeah. So, like, literally, like this is my setup, my small setup. I can say so. Okay, I'm using. This is my small setup. So this little boy will be just like here, plugged to computer, and then if I want to record a voice, I will be like, "Hi." Takuwa ndivyo Sam Mavita TV. Msigo alero. So it will be just all kind of like that. So my videos once I'm in the I use phone like for video, but I do have this camera. Yeah. So this is my small setup, just like very small setup, and yeah, just for studio, yeah, beginner, something like that. So watching from China. Oh, for real? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. I'm going to China. Mazauza China. I let you go subscribe. Okay, guys, in home. I got this microphone as well. Where is that microphone? Where is it hiding? I don't know. Somewhere else. I got this microphone as well. The one that I use when I'm doing videos. Who did that? Yeah, so this is the mic that I use when I'm doing videos. Like I'll be like, so I'll be like, musigo alero ndipo ndikupasa ni ma settings a WhatsApp amene simukwaziwa kuti zimatheka kuti amakhonza kuchitika. So most of the time, guys, let's get into it. So ndimete mavangira. So my videos once I made mavanga. Posachera bandifuna ndambe my reaction video. So I'll be doing in English. Yeah, my reaction videos I'll be doing them in English. Tadala Aguti for real. Thank you so much. Karibu nsima ya Matemba kuno. Oh, yeah, Matemba. Let me open my microwave. Not microwave. Right. So mninyabisa Matemba. Aha. I got this. Basha napiga nyumba. Yeah, basha napiga nyumba. Karibu nsima Matemba kuno. Mudito ngati muri mujubege muzangu pita Wanderers kutumiza maji mabasa ku Washington ngati muri ku Cape Town mukhoza kuti gisira nchiro mabasa na mena mabwera kuno ngati ntaketi. So yeah, titumizeni Matemba guys na kesho tijeka mwina mwake nkukhalako boo mwina mwake ndikukhalako boo. Yeah, so guys, this is just the bobo from yeah. Atadala ujini. Atadala, I don't know ngati moko nerabe. Tadala, I don't know ngati moko nerabe. Yeah, I need some stuff from China. I just want to have a cool studio. Like now, my studio is not yet fine because if I want to use like LED lights or whatever, then we can just things are dropping. Um, you see now this little light behind me now it's broken because this was supposed to give light as well, but I don't know where did I get wrong. Now, now everything like my studio is not yet complete fine because I want to have that blue background like for lights, not for switching. Mulinyatwa madala pusha ningine basi tikuthandiza nimpite pasogolo ziko mwakambiri. So the only way you can help me guys like njira ya bo. I don't know. Nthawi inake napanga kuti pajoin mukhoza kuchita donate kandrama kena kake. Oh, okay, Tadala, I'm here. Okay. Yeah, the full stuff is over to China. Because like all the things that I buy it from Take a Lot in South Africa. We have a certain app just like Alibaba, but not like more like Alibaba, but at least a little bit. So yeah, and it's bobo. So yeah, tifuna ko stuff is over to China. Ngati monga khale kuti ngothekera kutero my information ndikayindike my information amene ali pa agent ali pa I mean, we can communicate. I don't know. This one? No, not this one. Um, um, this one you can use, but the email address. I'm not using email address. So let me give you this one. Let me give you this one. You can just send me a text number minute per screen here, and then yeah, we'll communicate because we need stuff here. We need stuff here. You can just ship it to South Africa, and then I'll give you my details, and then we can do business. Because you understand me, understand you. Hope we can do business in Kwachas. So one in rands, one using what? The Malama business yen. Japan yen, China. No, Japan I'm yen. I don't know China. But anyway, that's it. So we need like to improve. I just want to improve my studio. The most thing that you can do to help me is to like my video. So yeah, the most thing you can do is to like every video minimum on kuchita like, kuchita comment. That's the thing main ngati kuthokoza nikasipa mtima kuti apapo ndimo ndithandiza. Just like to like every video imeneripo. And also the other thing is to kuchita share. Maonera video chite ni share. Maonera video chite ni share. So ndi zinthu zothandiza kwambiri. Imene chili chonse ndizoteka bobo. Yeah, bobo. Yeah, okay, fine, sharp. So yeah. Kuviona kuti ende kuti zitheka bobo number yanga WhatsApp ndimene the screen kwa wina yinso funa. Come on guys, why? And when you come to my inbox ask me kuti ndikupangira na advertise malonda, then I tell you the price. The cheapest price everyone can offer, and then you stay quiet. And then you come to me with your problems, what. Well, we all have problems because like madam Agumano, let's say kuti unfortunately, like I've been on my neck. Like the videos that I do, like no matter what I'm on, I could find a good edit buno kama panga more than but I use drama. Kuti na video manager afike pa mene pajapo like editor wanga atamana majambo edit like editor. Sinangana ame ma videos kujambo audio na majambo like but some videos I get help from other people as well. So they don't do it for free. They need money. That is moto kuta. So I'm afraid I can't continue this live stream, but yeah. Guys, just know I'm with you. Mozi and Mawa. More na video ya beba kwambiri ya mtu mmozi wa anthu ozi kabuna kwambiri kumalawi kuti what is happening? Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, ndiza bobo ma. Sam karibu sima okay. Yeah, thank you so much Nox Banda. Nox Banda. Akuti mulinyatwa madala wisha mengine libobas za bobo. Yeah, mugisha nchita maye Alon Luka. Ifeso tilipo nditu kuonera bobo basi masigo basi amene popo. So recently I was just like offline. I don't know. Can I use the word offline? I don't know. Not offline, but zinali zinthu zakuti sinachite upload mavideo ena aliwonse chifukwa cha zinthu zina zake zimene zimapanga YouTube tumene sinake zosakhala boko. Right? Because we all know kuti ma YouTubers we survive from money made timapanga kuzera pa YouTube and zimatilimbikitsa kwambiri. Because like for real, if ningataka kuti guys um if ndidankha kuti guys ndimakupangira ni mavideo abwino kwambiri makhaza guys tipase mbiri yawo kuti ndimakupangira ni guys aliyense pamwezi mzinde pasaka ndi 20 rand, even it 20 rand, just like 20 rand, 20 rand, 20 rand, 20 rand, like $1, not like yeah $1 everyone, like give me $1, you criticize me, yeah, I'm open to say. So we always depend on YouTube now. I do all the base and all those kind of stuff, and you guys wanna go to YouTube with now with the advices at the suppose that ambaso mwako zingapo zofuna kuti so yeah 2 minutes and again kind of like don't find this minutes also, but I do it for love. I do it for love, not for money. Yeah, doing it for love, not for money. So ndizapopo ndikalikale kumanina kuzapo video ya almost 100 10 subscribe views. Then mandikhubi ano kuti nonse amene mukuonera ma videos wa mandichita support munjira imodzi ndi inzake. Guys, continue doing that. Continue doing that because I need that. I need that. Sharp guys. Ababa bastembe kupanga zina. Ndofa ndimalize kupanga video amene ndimapanga. I got this from Take a Lot. It is the truth. Because you're very right. Ndikukaiga kuti kakhoza kuzaonongeka mwachangu chifukwa chokugwaigwa. Kalili tripod koma yosalimba kwambiri. Kalibe weight yochuluka kwambiri. So yeah, ndizapopo. Ndeno ndikhumbira kuti atadala yeah mutithandizira kuti mutipeze staff ya Boku China. Mutithandizira kuti mutipeze staff ya Boku China because I think zikhoza kukhala bwino kwambiri kuti try import staff kuchokera kumene koko. Eyetu, okay, by the way, guys, ndi channel jina ya Sam Mavita Adventure. Sam Mavita Adventure, guys, please kajira and subscribe. Also Sam Mavita Studio. Sam Mavita Studio pasa kila vatia kupanga ma reaction videos. Sam Mavita Adventure pasa kila vandeka ndi rambo ndo kuma kamba zokuza ndi Africa kuma so yeah, bobo. So guys, all the best. All the best. Ndifuna nizabuno zonse. Kajira subscribe guys, Sam Mavita TV. Kuma so Sam kajira subscribe Sam Mavita Adventure kuma so Sam Mavita Studios. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you guys. Amene mwakwanisa kutumiza message. Tadala, Noxey, Precious, Kulima Samuel, Omar Aubrey, Samson Makamo, Precious, Malawi Muhammad, Suspect Komaso, Shibu Bright Sea. Ndathokoza kwambiri guys. I hope finally before Sabato so no many mafana mtatu about me, but yeah, we did it. Now subscribe. Bye.